welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Princess. Welcome, and thank you so much for joining me. On this video, we are going to do a what's in my bag. I don't think I have, I'm lying. I did a what's in my bag before, but this is different. This is more aesthetic because I've been buying, if you've been watching, I've been purchasing different things to go into my bags this year. 2025, we are being girly girls, okay? We are being just a girl. We're doing everything that we love. It doesn't matter if it look kiddish or not. We're doing what we love to do this year. So let's jump right into it. This week's bag, we are carrying the Coach denim Rowan in the size large. This bag is so freaking cute. As you can see on the front part, I do have my strawberry charm, my bow charm. I also have this chain that's purchased from Target, as well as a charm that's hanging from my key ring, which has also a bow and a strawberry on it as well. I'll do more of a child, what is that? Not the clothes falling. Okay, so I will do a close-up on this bag whenever I'm done. So right now I have my little gold clip that is from Target. It's actually my daughter's, but you know, I'll be taking her stuff too. So I have the gold tip I hang on here because you just never know when you're out and about when you need a clip. So I have that right there. On the back of the bag, it has a zipper. And with the zipper, that's where I keep my phone. Like, I don't put nothing else in here but my phone. And that's the first little cute thing. Everything is strawberry themed. I have a dust plug right here that's from Shein. Also, my phone case is from Shein as well. And it's just super cute. It has strawberries and daisies on it. So jumping right into my bag. It opens both ways, which I love because it opens wide. This is how what's in the bag here. This first pocket on this end, that's where I hold my keys. And everything is very aesthetic. Gold hardware, strawberry key ring, and then also my AirPods case has the strawberry case. And then I have my this I don't know what this is called. It's like a little handle, but it's really cute. I thought it was really cute and it matches my vibe. So those are my keys. Like I said, I keep those in the button pocket on this side. That's where I keep those at. That's the only thing I keep right there. Let me put the phone back in here because, baby, we ain't trying to have a big mess. And the reason why I decided to do pouches and stuff, because it keeps everything together and also keep your space where how you need to have it. Because I could have put an insert in here. I do have an insert that I had for my Telfar bag, but the insert takes up too much of the space. I need every little corner of my bag, okay, period. So the first things first, I have my glasses case. These days I am a glasses girl. I have to wear glasses now, so I keep them in this case. I do want to get a strawberry case, but in the meantime I have this one. This actually goes with my beige accessories, but it doesn't hurt to put it in the bag with this one. And then I have my strawberry pouch. With this strawberry pouch, I have all of my girly essentials in here. We have our Touchland, what is this? Hand sanitizer. We have Lumi, if you know, you know. I have the body wash. I have the whole body deodorant, as well as another whole body deodorant stick. Baby, because if you know, you know. Okay. And then we have another deodorant, which is Dove. I am a Dove girl. Like, don't play. I don't play. I have, like, me personally, I don't like the floss that's on the stick. I like the regular floss. This is 99 cents in Walmart. Give me the regular floss, honey. I will floss my mouth myself without that stick. I have glue because you never know when a nail pop off. I have these nail files, and I have some cotton balls, and then of course my pads and panty liners and stuff like that that's in here. So that's all that's in my essentials, like woman essentials bag. Okay, my girly essentials bag. Like, y'all gotta get on that Lumi. Like, when I first heard about it and I first went to go smell it or whatever, I wasn't a big fan, but I am a big fan of the soft powder and the clean tangerine scent of that. Alright, so I have this blue pouch. This blue pouch matches my bag very well, so I decided to get this. This is where I keep all of my cards, as far as like the Target cards, Walmart gift cards, cards for like businesses and stuff like that. I keep all of that in here. And then I have my coin card case. It's the zip coin card case to match my bag. I have my, of course, my ID is on the back of this. This is where I carry all my, you know, everything I need, okay? I'm gonna keep it in here. I ain't trying to show y'all too much of that. But anyways, I have my makeup bag, which has everything. I love carrying this big bag because I can carry all of my makeup that I need, and I don't have to worry about like saying that, hey, I wish I would have brought this or that, you know, or try to get everything in the mini size, which I have pretty much everything in the travel size. So in this bag, I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I have in here. I have my one size, we'll set her up here. So we have one size spray, setting spray. We also have the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. If you know, you know. We have my primer, which is the one size primer. This one is the Secure the Sweat Dry Till Dawn primer. I also have my one size Sweet Honey, that's what I wear, setting powder. And all of these are like the mini version of this. And then I have a Charlotte Tilbury, where is it? I have my Charlotte Tilbury powder, like pressed powder. It has a little mirror on here. And with this pressed powder, I wear the color shade Tan, which is 3. And then I have my eyebrow, which is LA Girl. I've been having this for a long time. This is like what I use for my eyebrows. And I use NARS, which is the soft matte. I use the color Tahoe. This is the soft matte full coverage foundation. And then I also use the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer. This one is in the color shade Cookie Dough. And what else I have in here? I have a powder, look a little, I don't know what you call it, like a little powder pouch thing. And then I have this one in mini. Please excuse the fact that it's dirty because I just used it. Okay, we use our stuff around here. And then I have the Tower 28. This is my favorite duo. It is the Tower 28 Color Me Fine lip liner, which is what I have on right now. And then the lipstick that I have on with it is 833 Creme de Nude by MAC. Y'all, when I tell you this is my favorite, I got this combo from A. Wilkie. Y'all, when she said this combo, she was not playing. I immediately went to go get it, and I'm so glad I got it. I love this combo. I've been wearing this combo literally for the past 2 weeks. Like, I don't like to wear nothing else but this combo. I also have like a little lip chap thing for my daughter's school. And I also have, I really like that, I have 2 Vaseline lip therapies. Now, my favorite one is this because it fits in all of my little bags. But because I don't like sticking my finger in it, whenever I'm on the go, I got the lip therapy, which is the regular chapstick version of it. So that's all that's in my makeup bag. And I love to carry all of this because this is all I need, honestly, whenever I'm on the go or whenever I do my makeup. Like today I did my makeup, I did it with everything that's in this bag. Like I didn't have to use nothing else besides my little brushes. So that is one thing I am going to get. I'm going to get a mini set of brushes so I can carry that in my bag as well. Like a travel size set of brushes. All right, you guys, so that's pretty, oh no, I'm lying. I was saying that's pretty much it that's in my bag. Nope, I'm lying. I also have this case here, which is my charger case. This is where I keep my charger and stuff in. And the pocket with the zip, I do keep some stuff in there as well. And in there I have some Kleenex, some wet wipes, my cleaner for my glasses, and I also use this cleaner and this wipe case. I use it for my phones too, as far as the lenses. I have another regular hand sanitizer in there, and then I have some receipts. And that's it. That is it. That's all that I have in this bag, you guys. I just wanted to show y'all this bag and what I have in it because I really do love this bag. I really do love the items that I have in it. This is the bag of the week. What I'm starting to do now is just wear my bags. But in order to wear all of my bags, I'm starting to wear like bags of the week. So that's what this is, the bag of this week. Today is Monday. So this is what we're wearing. And it pretty much goes with everything because it's denim. So, and I'm wearing it just like this. I'm not putting the crossbody on it. I do have the crossbody at the bottom of the bag too, but I'm not wearing a crossbody unless I need it. I didn't show you guys that it has the Coach tag right here. I haven't got it a monogram or nothing on it yet, but I'm gonna put Big Mama. I'm gonna put Big Mama on here. But anyways, that's everything that's in my bag. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. Like the video, of course. That's the thumbs up. But also put strawberries in the comment section. Put some strawberries in the comment section so I know that you made it to this part of the video. And also put some hearts in the comment section. It could be any color heart because it's all over here, sis. It's all over here, bro. If you made it to this part of the video, don't forget to subscribe. Press that bell so you know when more videos like this is posted. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Young Ball on the beat, young Ball on the beat, young Ball.